Join me as I take on the challenge of reversing type 2 diabetes and see if we can debunk the myths surrounding it. Reversing type 2 diabetes. It's a topic that sparks a lot of interest and debate. Some people believe it's possible, while others think it's just a myth. But what's the truth? Can you really reverse type 2 diabetes, or is it just a pipe dream? Living with type 2 diabetes can be tough. You're often faced with a lifetime of medication, strict diet restrictions, and constant monitoring of your blood sugar levels. And even with all these efforts, it can be hard to manage the condition and prevent complications. It's no wonder that many people feel frustrated and defeated. The current treatment approach often focuses on managing the symptoms rather than addressing the root cause of the problem. And when it comes to reversing the condition, many healthcare professionals and skeptics alike will tell you it's just not possible. But that's not the whole story. The reality is that many people with type 2 diabetes are able to reverse their condition, or at the very least, significantly improve their blood sugar control and reduce their medication. So, what's the secret? Is it just a matter of making some lifestyle changes, or is there more to it? The fact is that most people with type 2 diabetes are told that they'll have to live with the condition for the rest of their lives, and that's just not true. The concept of reversing type 2 diabetes challenges everything we've been taught about the condition. It forces us to question the conventional wisdom and look for new solutions. And that's exactly what we're going to do in this video. We'll explore the latest research, expert opinions, and real-life case studies to see if we can debunk the myth once and for all. One of the most promising areas of research is in the role of diet in reversing type 2 diabetes. Studies have shown that a low-carb, high-fat diet can be incredibly effective in improving insulin sensitivity and reducing blood sugar levels. And it's not just about cutting out sugar and refined carbs, it's about replacing them with nutrient-dense foods that nourish your body. Exercise also plays a crucial role, especially high-intensity interval training, which has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation. But it's not just about diet and exercise. There are also medical interventions that show promise in reversing type 2 diabetes. Bariatric surgery, for example, has been shown to reverse the condition in many people. And newer medications like GLP-1 receptor agonists have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels. The fact is that there are many different approaches that can be effective in reversing type 2 diabetes, and it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. So, what's the most compelling evidence that supports the possibility of reversing type 2 diabetes? One of the most impressive studies is the Newcastle University study, which showed that a low-calorie diet can reverse type 2 diabetes in just 8 weeks. The study involved 11 people with type 2 diabetes who were given a very low-calorie diet of just 600 calories per day, and the results were stunning. All 11 participants were able to reverse their condition and come off their medication. And it's not just this one study, there are many other case studies and research papers that support the idea that type 2 diabetes can be reversed. Another compelling case study is that of a man named Eric, who was diagnosed with type 2 diabetes and told he'd have to take medication for the rest of his life. But Eric was determined to take control of his health, and he started making significant changes to his diet and lifestyle. He cut out sugar and refined carbs, started exercising regularly, and even began to eat more veggies and healthy fats. And the results were incredible. He was able to reduce his blood sugar levels and come off his medication in just a few months. So, what can we take away from all this? The fact is that reversing type 2 diabetes is possible, but it requires significant lifestyle changes and medical guidance. It's not a quick fix, and it's not something that can be achieved overnight. But with the right approach and the right support, it can be done. And that's the most important thing to remember. It's not about debunking the myth, it's about giving people hope and empowering them to take control of their health. Thanks for watching, guys. If you've reversed type 2 diabetes or have a success story to share, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more health-related content and check out our next video on diabetes management.